Peshawari Chana Mewa Pulao recipe. Ingredients. To prepare this delightful pulao, gather the following ingredients. 3 cups basmati rice. Rinse thoroughly and soak for 15 minutes for a fluffier texture. 4 cups vegetable stock or water. The liquid base that infuses the rice with subtle flavor. 2 cups chickpeas. Pre-cooked or canned. These are the stars of the dish. Half a cup raisins. Adds a burst of sweetness to balance the spices. 1 onion. Finely chopped to create a caramelized base. 2 medium tomatoes. Chopped and cooked for a tangy layer of flavor. 3 pods of garlic. Minced to enhance the aromatic profile. Whole spices. A medley of 4 to 5 cloves, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 2 black cardamom pods, and 1 bay leaf. 1½ tablespoon garam masala powder. A blend of spices to add depth and warmth. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds for an earthy, nutty undertone. Half a cup oil. Ensures each grain of rice is coated for a non-sticky, glossy finish. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Prepare the aromatic base. Start by heating oil in a pressure cooker or a heavy-bottom pot. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions and garlic. Fry them until they turn golden brown, releasing a rich, fragrant aroma. Next, toss in the whole spices, cloves, cinnamon, black cardamom, and bay leaf. Let these sizzle for a few seconds to release their oils and deepen the flavor. Step 2. Add a tangy kick. Stir in the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and blend into a thick paste. This step is crucial for creating a flavorful base that coats the rice and chickpeas beautifully. Step 3. Introduce the chickpeas and raisins. Now, add the pre-cooked or canned chickpeas and the raisins. The chickpeas provide a hearty texture, while the raisins contribute a subtle sweetness that balances the spices. Season the mixture with salt, cumin seeds, and garam masala. Stir well to ensure every ingredient is evenly coated with spices. Step 4. Incorporate the rice and liquid. Drain the soaked basmati rice and gently fold it into the mixture, taking care not to break the grains. Pour in the vegetable stock or water, ensuring the liquid is just enough to cover the rice. Step 5. Cook to perfection. If using a pressure cooker, secure the lid and cook on medium heat for 1 whistle. For those using a pot, cover with a tight lid, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer until the rice is fully cooked and the liquid is absorbed, about 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, let the pulao sit for 5 minutes before fluffing it gently with a fork to separate the grains.